We're launching our first charity portal for Hyderabad runners. It's called charities.marathonhyderabad.com, and we're lucky enough to be part of this event. It's being launched live right here, right now. Can we welcome Hemant from HRS for this fantastic occasion, please, with a huge round of applause. This is our final event for this evening. Please help us launch this very impressive portal.
As all the speakers before me spoke, everybody has a story, right? And marathon, according to us, is just a collection of stories. So there are professional athletes who have their own stories of winning to talk. There are people like us who are just enthusiasts, just want to run, have a personal milestone just in our own kitty. And there are people with different abilities. Like you heard lots of stories today about people facing a lot of challenges, but having overcome that and just still participating in that. And on the road, when you're on the marathon, you end up meeting tons of different kinds of other people, and your story just gets added to them. Now, one of the other stories that you can create through all of this is a story for your own self as to how you can help the society. And doing that is actually very, very simple. And we've tried to make it as easy for people like all of us, as easy as possible so that we can actually contribute back to the society. So the portal itself is live right now on our Airtel Marathon website. It's marathonhyderabad.com. On that, there is a tab called Charities. When you hit that, you get to here. It is charities.marathonhyderabad.com. The portal is mainly aimed for 4 different kinds of people, right? Runners like us who want to go find charities that we want to associate with and raise money for or increase awareness. It's for NGOs, people who want to come utilize the platform so that they can bring their message out to a wider audience. There's a corporate challenge we are launching this year, wherein we inviting corporates to come and participate in a competitive way, along with compete with other corporate teams to raise as much money as they can for some chosen charities. And there are obviously people like you and I who want to volunteer or who just want to come onto the streets and just cheer the runners out there. So the portal is pretty straightforward. The Run for a Cause page basically lets people decide which cause they want to run for. It gives you options on how you would be a participant in a charity run. So you could either start a campaign, choose an NGO, start a campaign, which is pretty straightforward. It's a 2-minute process in all. Our fundraising partner, letschange.org, is hosting our fundraising technology. And once you get there, there's just a bunch of NGOs that you can sift through who are all participating in this year's marathon. There is, so you can discover all the NGOs that are participating here. Every year, from starting this year, we are going to feature a bunch of NGOs. So these are NGOs which we think need that extra push, that we could potentially help achieve their targets in a better way. No differentiation in terms of whether their causes are greater or worse off than others, but this is just the little that we can do to aid their cause. So when you go to the featured NGOs page, you will see some of the NGOs that are currently on our featured list. REACH is a Hyderabad Runners Hyderabad Runners NGO. You could go, there are a lot more other NGOs who are interested in participating with AHM. So these are just a bunch of 8 NGOs at this point in time. If you go to letschange.org, there are a lot more NGOs. There are about 30 NGOs at this point in time who are very interested in participating at AHM. But these are the NGOs that we have officially partnered with and are planning to promote. It's as easy as just clicking a button, guys, to starting a campaign is just very easy. Just go there, click the button, and then you have your campaign ready. For those of you who still are unlike Shiv in the corporate world, you could have your company participate through our corporate charity league. All we ask you to do is form a team. Can be anywhere from 2-member team to about 50-member teams. There are 3 different categories in which you can compete. And as a team, you can campaign, pick an NGO, campaign, raise as much money as you would want to. But do it in a team so that you actually have some fun along the whole marathon preparation period. And you could also go ask your CSR teams to come and contribute to your cause or to your campaign. That will total gets added to your own team's total, so that could be a big boost. So go talk to your CSR teams. And we have a nice cool blog that is out here. So we'll be posting a lot of information about AHM, about charities, about various runners who are running for charities, about various NGOs who are participating here. So the blog is up and running right now. But this is something that is going to be constantly updated starting tonight. So that's in a nutshell the charities portal. Please go visit us again at charities.marathonhyderabad.com. Any questions that you have, please direct it towards charity@marathonhyderabad.com. CHARITY @marathonhyderabad.com.